Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all.
Practice class 12th standard. Today now we are going to start the lesson number 2. We have already started the lesson number 2, but today we will complete the another heading with the different explanation. As you can see that lesson number 2 name is sources of corporate finance. Lesson number was related to introduction of the corporate finance. So what we have learned in our previous video we have covered what is sources of finance, capital requirements of business. As we know that it is divided into the two parts, on capital and the borrowed capital. Meaning of on capital. In the on capital we learn meaning of shares, retained earning, as well as we have completed features of shares. Now what is today's topic? Out of many topic in the lesson number 2, we have a topic on capital. It include equity shares. Type of the shares may one of the type is equity shares. So today we are trying to complete equity share with their types. So as you can see the flow chart types of the share. Shares is divided into the two parts, equity shares and the preference share. Preference share we will complete in our next video. Equity share we will complete it today. First question comes into our mind, what is equity share? Equity share means it is called as an ordinary shares, general shares बोलते हैं इसको. According to the Company Act, those shares which are not preference share are called as the equity share. That means if the shares is not preference share, that will be called as the equity share. So there are two types of the share. First was equity share and second one is preference share. तो जो शेयर्स आपके प्रेफरेंस नहीं होते that will automatically become the equity share. डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द इक्विटी शेयर. इक्विटी शेयर होते कैसे हैं? इक्विटी शेयर डू नॉट एंजॉय द प्रेफरेंस मतलब प्रायोरिटी ऑफ डिविडेंड यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट डिविडेंड मीन्स प्रॉफिट. तो दैट मीन्स इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर डू नॉट एंजॉय, उनको प्रॉफिट नहीं मिलता, प्रेफरेंस नहीं मिलती प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए. सेकेंड पॉइंट, इक्विटी शेयर डू नॉट हैव प्रायोरिटी फॉर रीपेमेंट of capital at the time of the winding up company, at the time of winding up of the company. That means they never have the priority for the repayments of their capital. They get the amount after the payment of all the preferences at the time of the winding up of the company. Third point, equity shares are the basic source of the फाइनेंसिंग. शेयर्स में आपका टाइप मैंने बोला इक्विटी शेयर, तो दैट मीन्स इक्विटी शेयर्स आर दी बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग. इट कम्स इनटू द ऑन कैपिटल. Fourth point, equity shareholder are the real owner of the company. Reason why? Because they are the risk taker and ready to take all the responsibilities. They are the last claimants. After paying claims of all other investors, the remaining funds belong to the equity shareholder. What do you mean by this line? That means after paying, आपके जितने भी ड्यूज हैं सबको पेमेंट करने के बाद में whatever you have remained, whatever the fund you have remained, that is only belong to the equity shareholder. That means if you have a dues, if you have a outstanding, equity shareholder never get the amount before the payment of that. Thus equity shareholder are residual claimants. सबसे लास्ट के आपके claimants होते हैं of the income and the assets. This picture I have taken from the textbook. As you can see, that's a paragraph of equity shareholder. We will read the line one by one and will try to get the meaning. Equity shareholder do not carry any fixed commitment of the dividend. That means equity share, being a equity shareholder, you never get the commitment for your fixed profit, right? It may be a fluctuate. Definitely it may be a fluctuate. They are paid dividend at the rate of recommended by the board of director. Whenever your company will get the profit distributed to the shareholder, as we already know that, but the decision taken by the board of director. Recommendation कहाँ से आएगा? board of director to pay the dividend to whom? To equity shareholder as well as to the preference shareholder. If there is no profit, अगर कंपनी को कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं होता, no dividend will be payable. कंपनी को प्रॉफिट नहीं हुआ है तो बीइंग इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर यू विल नॉट गेट एनी डिविडेंड, यू विल नॉट गेट एनी प्रॉफिट. सिमिलरली इफ देयर इज लेस प्रॉफिट, अगर आपका प्रॉफिट कम है, in the is it is a condition where you are earning the less profit, so what will happen to the equity shareholder? Lesser dividend will be paid. प्रॉफिट अगर कम है तो उससे भी कम आपको क्या दिया जाएगा? डिविडेंड दिया जाएगा, प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया जाएगा. दैट मीन्स related to the repayment, related to the dividend, equity shareholder never get the priority for the repayments of the capital. Thus द फॉर्च्यून ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर इज टाई अप. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर हैं उनकी डेस्टिनी किससे टाई अप है? विद अप्स एंड डाउन्स ऑफ द कंपनी, विद अप्स एंड डाउन्स ऑफ द इकोनॉमी. आपकी कंपनी में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आएंगे, दैट मीन्स आपका इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर का जो प्रॉफिट है दैट विल बी ऑल्सो फ्लक्चुएट, दैट विल बी ऑल्सो गो टू द अप्स एंड डाउन. इफ द कंपनी इज सक्सेसफुल, अगर कंपनी आपकी सक्सेसफुल है, they enjoy great financial reward. That means their dividend is not fixed. So whenever company will come into the success condition, whenever company get the successful, they enjoy the great financial reward. Reason is that they don't have a fixed commitment of the dividend, fixed commitment of the profit. And if the company fails, अगर कंपनी फेल होती है, द रिस्क फॉल्स मेनली ऑन देम. तो जो आपका जो लॉस है वो किस पर आएगा? मेनली इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर पर आएगा. It is exactly because of this position equity share capital is known as venture capital. That means it is exactly because of this position equity share is known as the venture capital. That means the type of the capital of the equity shareholder is called as the risk capital. The owner of the equity shares are real risk bearer. So through the paragraph, I hope you people can understand. One of the type of the share is equity shareholder. Equity shareholder, they are the real owner of the company because they are ready to take the risk for their capital. They are ready to take the risk for their business. They never get the commitment of the dividend. If company successful, they enjoy the great financial reward. If company fails, the risk falls mainly on them. So they are the real owner of the company. As you can see the chart, there is a chart related to the type of the equity share. It is not given in your textbook, but just for the knowledge purpose I uploaded this picture. Type of the equity share, what include? It include the authorized capital, it includes issued capital, subscribed capital, paid up capital, right shares, bonus share, and the sweet equity share. We have already discussed various price of the equity shares. Shares के price कैसे होते हैं? We discuss about the face value, we discuss about the issue value, issue price, we discuss about the market value, but these two things are remain. This topic we are going to be discussed in our next lesson. So I'm just giving you the example कि type of the equity share is divided into the different part. But this topic is not given in your textbook. Your equity shares is divided based on the type of the rights. So type of the equity share, it is given in the textbook that equity shares can be of the two types. First one is with voting right, the second one is with differential voting rights. Equity share with normal voting right means voting rights of such equity shareholder is in proportion of his shareholding. That means one share, one vote. More than one share, more than voting rights. Equity share with differential voting right. That means such equity shares shall have varying. बहुत सारे rights होते हैं आपके regarding related to dividend, related to voting, or otherwise in according with the rules of the four of company, where the clause is given related to the share capital and the debentures. Thus, the company can issue share with the limited voting right or no voting right. They may be entitled to extra rate of the dividend if any. So what we have learned today, we have learned the meaning of the equity share, where we have discussed about the equity share, that equity share are the real equity shareholder are the real owner of the company. And the second one, we have learned the type of the equity share, where we describe the equity share related to their rights. So remaining topic we will continue into the next video.